This video is to show you how to install and adjust your probe in your bottom loading water cooler. Your probe may be a stainless steel bent probe or a plastic straight probe. For this purpose of the video, we're going to do this on the metal probe. You can go ahead and insert it into your bottle and click it into place. Not every bottle will click into place, it's just depending on your bottle. Just to make sure that it's pushed down all the way. To adjust the probe, you'll need to pinch these two pieces right here and pull the adjusting part down. Then click it onto your bottle. And then you would slide this into the bottom cabinet for a smaller bottle. After installing and adjusting the probe to fit your bottle, go ahead and slide the bottle into the bottom cabinet and close the door, ensuring that the door button is pressed completely. Then we're going to go ahead and plug the unit into a grounded wall outlet and allow the unit to pump for about 5 to 10 minutes to fill the tanks completely. If you have any trouble at all, please give us a call at 1-800-256-0695 or email us at support@avalonh2o.com.